How to breathe during downward dog to cobra flow. Here we're going to use long breathing technique and focus on pulling the belly inwards on each of the exhales. Long, long inhale and long exhale. Let me show you how to do it. Try to place your arms shoulder wide, legs the same, nice high hips. We're going to place the head through. Inhale and exhale, pull the belly in into the cobra position. Here we stretch the lower back as well. Come back to inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Just like that.